Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to look at how to record accrued expenses in double entry. 大家好，在这个视频中，主要讲一下如何在会计中记录应计费用。Accrued expenses. Expenses has been incurred during the accounting period, but cash has not been paid yet. Based on accrued basis of accounting, expenses must be recorded when it is incurred, even though we haven't received the cash yet. Therefore, expenses are recorded before the cash paid. 应计费用是指当期已发生但尚未支付款项的各种费用。根据权责发生制原则，凡是当期已经发生或应当负担的费用，不论款项是否支付，都应当作为当期的费用。因此，费用的确认在现金支付之前。Accrued expenses are balance sheet item, reported and current liabilities. Here are some common examples of expenses that can be accrued, such as interest on loans, salaries or wages for employees, taxes, rent, dividends. 应计费用是资产负债表上流动负债的一个科目。常见的应计费用包括应计利息、应付工资、应交税金、应付租金、应付股利等等。How to record accrued expenses? Accrued expenses is not adjusting entries at period end. The accounting treatment should be debit expense account as expense is increased, credit accrues as accrued expenses is current liability. 如何在月末做应计费用的调整？调账分录应为借费用，因为费用的增加，它是损益表上的一个科目。贷应计费用，尚未偿付的负债，它是资产负债表上流动负债的一个科目。Let's look at the example. ABC Limited financial year is 1st January to 31st December. Before answering questions A and B, we should know, first, when is the electricity expenses incurred? Second, when is the payment date? 让我们看一下例题。ABC 有限公司呢，财政年度是1月1号到12月31号。在回答以下的问题 A 和 B， 我们首先得清楚：一、电费是否发生和什么时候；二、电费的支付时间。How to calculate total electricity expenses in 2019? First, we should calculate total cash paid in 2019. The total cash paid in 2019 is 1,420. Second, financial period of the company is 1st January to 31st December. We should exclude electricity in December 2018. Cash paid of 300 on 28th February 2019, including electricity bill in December 2018. Therefore, we should deduct electricity accrued at prior period 2018, $100. Third, we should add electricity accrued in current year, December 2019, 120. So the total electricity expenses in 2019 is 1,440. 如何计算在2019年电费实际发生的费用？一、2019年所支付的现金为$1420。二、因为公司的财务年度是1月1号到12月31号，2019年。从题目中我们知道，在2019年2月28号，现金支付$300，包含2018年12月的电费$100，因此我们应该减掉2018年12月的电费$100。三、我们应该加上2019年12月的应计电费$120。2019年电费的实际费用为$1440。Statement of profit and loss. Electricity expenses should be 1,440. Statement of financial position. Current liabilities. Accrued expenses should be 120. 在损益表上，电费应为$1440。在资产负债表上，流动负债应计费用应为$120。In December 2018, adjusting entries for electricity is debit electricity 100, credit accrued expenses 100。在2018年12月，会计调整分录应为借电费$100，贷应付费用$100。应计费用是流动负债的一个科目，如果负债增加，在贷方。Second, reverse any accruals brought forward. The journal entry should be debit accrued expenses 100, credit electricity 100. Once the journal entry is done, accrued expenses is 0. 第二呢，是冲销上年度的会计分录，也就是说，按照原来的分录做一笔相反的会计分录。借应计费用$100，贷电费$100。一旦这个分录完毕，应计费用为0。Third, record the cash payment, debit electricity expenses. As expenses is increasing on debit side, credit cash. As asset is decreasing on credit side. 第三呢，是当现金支付后，会计分录为借电费，因为费用的增加在借方；贷现金，因为资产的减少在贷方。Step 4. Record accrued expenses. Electricity bill in December 2019 is incurred, so the adjusting entries in December 2019 is debit electricity expenses 120, credit accrued expenses 120. Once the journal entry is made, electricity expenses in 2019 is 1,440. 第四步，2019年12月的电费已经发生。根据权责发生制原则，会计调整分录应为借电费$120，贷应计费用$120。 2019年电费的实际费用为$1440。Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please give thumbs up, subscribe, and share. 谢谢你的观看。如果喜欢我的视频，请点赞、分享和关注哦。